Hello guys, Wolfboy here. Today I'll be showing you how to unblock Discord on School Chromebook. It is perfectly safe and requires no extensions nor VPN. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe and you can check out my other video on how to unblock YouTube on School Chromebook by clicking on the card on the top right corner of the screen. By the way, I just reached 25 subscribers. Thank you for all of your support, and let's get started. As you can see over here, I'm trying to open Discord, but when I click on it, it immediately blocks me. As you can see right here. If you want to unblock Discord, all you have to do is search Unwork Online. Unwork Online. It should be the first one. Unwork's free hosting provider for Linux Online. Click on it. And you can see all of these options right here. Any of them will work, but I recommend you use the first one. You put 20, and this is the fastest one. Click Run Online, and then press Start. By the way, if this website is blocked, you can check out my other video on how to unblock website on School Chromebook by clicking on the card on the top right corner of the screen. After it loads up, press Enter, and it will start preparing a server for you. After that, you will see this page pop up. Now, all you have to do is click on Firefox web browser, and then search Discord. It should be the first one, Discord, your place to talk and hang out. Click on it, and as you can see right here, it's not blocked anymore. And I can open Discord in my browser by clicking on this button over here. Thank you for watching. This will be it for this video. Make sure to leave a like if you find this video helpful, and I will see you next time.